The future of AI in software development, agents, physical AI, and industry transformations. As we stand at the beginning of 2025, the landscape of software development is undergoing a profound transformation driven by artificial intelligence. The rise of AI agents and physical AI is reshaping not only how software is created but also how it interacts with the physical world. This comprehensive overview explores the current state of AI in software development, its impact on industry professionals, and the future trends that will define the field in the coming years. AI agents, the new frontier in software development. AI agents are emerging as powerful tools that promise to revolutionize the software development process. These intelligent assistants are designed to perform complex tasks autonomously, from coding and debugging to system maintenance and optimization. Current capabilities and impact. Coding assistance. AI agents can now generate code snippets, translate high-level concepts into executable code, and even handle entire libraries seamlessly. Maintenance and upgrades. By the end of 2025, AI assistants are expected to autonomously detect the need for upgrades or security patches, make necessary changes, and seek approval. Documentation and testing. AI-powered tools can automatically generate comprehensive documentation and create test cases, reducing the burden on engineering teams. Future projections. Specialized AI agents. In the next 5 to 10 years, developers will have access to a suite of specialized AI agents, each focused on specific domains like project planning, design, and optimization. Collaborative AI ecosystems. These agents will work together seamlessly to deliver end-to-end solutions, transforming the software development lifecycle. Physical AI, bridging the digital and physical worlds. Physical AI represents the next evolution in artificial intelligence, focusing on systems that can perceive, understand, and interact with the physical world. Key developments. World Foundation models. These models are crucial for advancing physical AI, enabling simulation and prediction in real-world environments. Robotics and automation. Physical AI is set to revolutionize industries through intelligent robots and autonomous systems too. Industry applications. Manufacturing. Intelligent robots equipped with advanced vision systems and physical AI capabilities are enhancing production processes. Retail. Software-defined stores using computer vision and AI algorithms at the edge are optimizing operations and customer experiences. Impact on software professionals. The rise of AI in software development is significantly altering the role of software professionals, requiring new skills and adaptations. Evolving roles. 1. System architects. Developers are transitioning into roles that emphasize high-level design and creating scalable solutions. 2. AI collaborators. The ability to effectively manage and communicate with AI agents is becoming a critical skill. 3. Ethical overseers. Ensuring AI adheres to ethical guidelines, fairness, and security standards is a growing responsibility. Skill evolution. AI literacy. Understanding AI capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications is crucial. Creativity and innovation. As AI handles routine tasks, human creativity in problem-solving becomes more valuable. Strategic planning. Engineers will focus more on defining strategic vision and ensuring AI aligns with business objectives. Future trends and predictions. As we look beyond 2025, several transformative trends are expected to shape the future of AI in software development. Autonomous DevOps. AI agents will completely manage infrastructure provisioning, scaling, and monitoring, paving the way for self-operating clouds. Hyper-personalization. Agents will enable the creation of ultra-customized software tailored to individual user needs. AI-first architectures. Applications will be designed with AI agents as primary actors, orchestrating workflows, interactions, and decisions. Real-time global collaboration. Agent-driven development will facilitate seamless collaboration across time zones and languages. Challenges and considerations. While the future of AI in software development is promising, it also presents challenges, ethical concerns, as AI becomes more prevalent. Ensuring responsible use and addressing potential biases will be crucial. Job market shifts. The industry will need to adapt to changing job roles and skill requirements. Technical limitations. Overcoming current limitations in AI reasoning and decision-making capabilities remains a challenge. Conclusion. The integration of AI agents and physical AI into software development marks a paradigm shift in the industry. As we progress through 2025 and beyond, software professionals must embrace these changes, focusing on high-level design, ethical oversight, and strategic planning. The future of software development is undeniably AI-driven, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and the creation of intelligent systems that seamlessly bridge the digital and physical worlds.